everyone, good morning and welcome to our class. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Till now we have completed our two chapters in maths. First one Roman numerals and second one number work. On both the chapters we had a test on Friday and I am happy to say that many of you had sent me that test with the answers. So I would like to congratulate all the children and parents who has taken trouble to send me that test personally. There are some children who have not sent me that test. So I would like to see their test also. And I am happy that you all are completing your work on time and showing interest. Now, today we are going to see third chapter, that is addition and subtraction. In this, we will see revision. In revision, we are going to see what you had learned previous year, and then addition of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Before we start, let me tell you that last year you learned to add 4 and 5 digit numbers. Now 6 and 7 digit numbers can be added using the same method. Problem set 7, add. Here they have given 4 sums which we are going to solve, and same sums you are going to write down in your maths notebook. First one is 40,722 plus 13,819. As you all know, when we add, subtract or multiply any number, we start from units place. So 2 plus 9, 11, and carry 1. Where you are going to carry? Next column, that is tens place. Then 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. So carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So your answer is 54,541. Second sum is 56,427 plus 10,648. 7 plus 8, 15. So write down 5, carry over 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 6, 10. So write down 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer is 67,075. Okay. So you all are familiar with this kind of sums which you have already studied when you were in 4th standard. So this is just your revision. Third one, 64,027 plus 28,409. 7 plus 9, 16. So write down 6, carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So write down 2, carry over 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2, 9. So your answer is 92,436. And the last one is 33,216 plus 28,540. Again we are going to add from units place. Units to units, tens to tens. Like that we add. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2, 6. So your answer is 61,756. This is how you were solving sums last year. Okay, now using the same method we are going to add 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay, where two columns will be added, lakhs and 10 lakhs column. So let's see how to add 6 and 7 digit numbers. So this is problem set 8. First one is 42,311 plus 65 lakhs 36,624. Here first number is of 5 digit and second number is of 7 digits. So you are going to make a box like this way. Write down place names and then write down the sum. Each digit should be in their places. Okay, you all know how to write down the numbers in their particular box. And then add 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. Now here lakhs place 5 is single digit number. So write down that number as it is, and then 6 is also single digit number. We don't have any other number to add in that. So write down that number as it is. So your answer is 65 lakhs 78,935. This is how you are going to add 6 and 7 digit numbers. Okay. Second example is 3,17,529 plus 8,04,613. Again you are going to make here box using your pencil and scale. Nine plus 3, 12. So write down 2, carry over 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 6, 11. So write down 1, carry over 1. 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. So write down here 2 and carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 8 plus 3, 11. So write down 1, carry over 1. Now 10 lakhs place we don't have any other number except 1 which we have carried over. So that number will come down and your answer is 11 lakhs 22,142. Third one is 12 lakhs 42,746 plus 4 lakhs 83,748. Okay, and then start adding the numbers from units place. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So write down here 4 and carry over 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 7, 14. So write down here 4 and carry over 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So write down here 2 and carry over 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7. And then 1 will be as it is. So your answer is 17,26,494. Now here we have solved 3 sums. First, second and third one. Now I will show you how to solve fifth sum, which is given in your maths textbook. Let's see. Here they have given 3 numbers. So no need to get confused. First number is 2654 plus 71,209 plus 5,03,789. Using the same method you are going to solve this sum. Okay, only difference is here they have given one extra number. Okay, let's see how to solve. First, place names and then write down all 3 numbers. Don't forget to give addition sign. Okay, now let's add. 4 plus 9 is equal to 22. So write down here 2 and carry over 2. Then 2 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 15. So write here 5, carry over 1. Then 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to how much? You add and you try to answer 16 and carry over 1. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. And then 5 will be as it is. So your answer is 5,77,652. This is how you are going to solve the sums. Okay, now here fifth one I have given here blue color because this sum I solved and I showed it to you. 4th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th one you are going to solve in your maths notebook. Okay, use your scale and pencil to draw the box and solve the sums properly without making any mistake, which I have solved and showed. Those sums also you are going to write down in your maths notebook. I hope you all have understood this.